Hey, VeeFriends, Book Games is moving to Base. So in order to participate in any future Burn Island events, you'll need to take the book games you held on Immutable X and activate them onto Base. And I'm going to show you how. Start by going to VeeFriends.com/activate, where you'll land on this page. I'm already logged in, but when you click Start Activation, if not, you'll be asked to log in. The second step is to choose your destination wallet, and you have two choices. You can activate to your VeeFriends wallet, which is recommended and will streamline your ability to participate on Burn Island, or you can use your current wallet, whichever Ethereum-based wallet currently has your book game tokens. Those are the wallets that will receive the same tokens on the Base network. Be aware that if you select this wallet, you'll get this pop-up to choose carefully because it will require an additional step for you to move your book games on the Base network to your VeeFriends wallet before participating in Burn Island events. That's because going forward, only the VeeFriends wallet will be supported on Burn Island. Not to worry though, we're going to make it very simple and have a landing page on VeeFriends.com where you can connect these wallets and safely transfer to your VeeFriends wallet ahead of any or during any Burn Island event. I'm going to go ahead and select VeeFriends wallet for this tutorial and hit begin activation. Now I'm going to see a preview of all the book game tokens that I have. You cannot partially activate your tokens. It's all or nothing. And you'll want to do this to maximize the opportunities that you have holding book games tokens. I can tab through and make sure they're all there. If you have multiple wallets holding tokens, you'll see multiple wallets here. When you're ready, go ahead and hit activate on Base. And voila, now you just let the Willful Wizard weave his magic as your tokens are being minted to your VeeFriends wallet now on Base. This happens in batches of about 50 tokens at a time, but Base is fast. And you can see in just this amount of time, I've minted 420 book games tokens. And congratulations, your tokens are activated. The next Burn Island event is coming very soon, if not active now. So you can either view your collection in your profile, or you can click Get Notified to sign up for email or text updates when new Burn Island events happen. This should be a straightforward and easy process for everyone. You won't need access to the wallets that are holding your tokens in order to confirm this activation. And we're very excited for the future of book games on Base. If you have any questions or need any help at all, feel free to reach out to us at support@VeeFriends.com. And as always, keep connecting and keep collecting. We'll see you soon on Burn Island.